Let's jump right into a powerful introduction to trigonometry.
So how do we measure things that are, well, totally unreachable? For instance, how do engineers find a monument's height without ever climbing?
Believe it or not, the answer is hidden in a shape you already know well.
That answer is trigonometry. It's all about relating a triangle's sides and angles.
And the real key to solving our problem is the right-angled triangle.
First, we have the hypotenuse. It's the longest side, opposite the right angle.
Next is the opposite, which is the side directly facing your angle, theta.
Finally, the adjacent side. It's next to your angle, but it's not the hypotenuse.
Now, trig uses three core ratios to connect everything. Let's meet them.
First, there's sine. That's simply opposite divided by the hypotenuse.
Next up, cosine, which is adjacent divided by the hypotenuse.
And finally, tangent is the opposite side divided by the adjacent.
How do you remember all that? Easy. Just use the phrase SOH CAH TOA.
Let's lock it in. SOH CAH TOA. This is a game changer for exams.
All right, enough theory. Let's put these ratios to work right now.
It's a simple three-step process. Identify, select, and then solve. That's it. Okay, check this out. We have a 30-degree angle and a 10-meter adjacent side.
We have adjacent and need opposite. Thinking SOH CAH TOA, that means we use tan.
So, tan of 30 is opposite over 10. A quick calculation gives us 5.77 meters.
Now, want to crush your exams? Here are some rapid-fire tips you need.
Learn the standard values. Remember this identity. Always draw a triangle. And don't mix up your sides.
So, after all this, what's the one thing you really need to take away?
Just remember this. Trigonometry is the magic that turns angles into answers.